After 3 years of running my vending machine business, it's about time I bought a truck. What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are so excited to finally announce we bought a brand new truck, but before we show you guys around, we do want to talk about what happened. For all you OG viewers out there, you guys remember 3 years ago when I started my vending business, I was servicing every single machine out of my tiny, small, white, 2-door car. Do you remember that? So as y'all can see, I do have my car pretty filled up. I have a whole bunch of drinks and like chips back there. And also the whole front seat is completely full. I got like 3 boxes of chips and a whole bunch of pastries on top, like donuts and honey buns and stuff like that. But eventually, as my business started to grow, I needed a bigger vehicle. So you guys remember back in 2019, I bought technically my first ever truck, which sadly we got into a car accident a month later. Not even a month, 3 weeks after we got it. At that time, the truck was the only vehicle we had to service machines, and the insurance was taking forever to help us out, so we had to go out and buy a brand new vehicle, which was the van that you guys have seen in our videos over the last couple years. Fast forward to last week, our van finally broke down, the transmission went out. We had to go out and buy another vehicle, which is why we got the truck.
So hopefully nothing happens to this truck, because we have really bad luck with vehicles.
Yeah, as y'all can see, we get a new vehicle pretty much every single year. Now, let's show you guys the brand new truck. Should we start with the outside?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Alright, starting off with the outside of the truck, we did get a 2022 Dodge Ram Laramie, the white one. I wish I had a black one, but the white one still looks pretty nice. And real quick, you guys know I am pretty transparent with everything I do and how much I make. So I will say I paid $48,000 for the truck, not in cash of course, but I feel like it was a pretty good deal once you look at all the features it has. And also we did get a discount on top of it since it was a demo car. I mean, I don't know all the specs, so I just open up the trunk, or the, what do you call it? It's not the trunk, the hood. One of the reasons I think we got a good deal is because we got one of the first ever V16 engines. Check this out. Boom, look at that.
I didn't think these existed.
Yeah, it's just powered by V8 juice. Nah, but for real, it is a V8 engine. It's also not a 4x4, which I feel like we don't really need it. But again, I don't know much about all the specs. So let's just move on to something else. So the size of the bed is like 5.7. A lot of people told us we should have got a longer one, especially if we're gonna be moving vending machines around. But we're actually gonna be moving a vending machine later on in the video, so make sure you guys watch until the end, and we're gonna see if it fits. Oh, we actually have to get the cover, no? So they don't fly out as we're driving.
Or when it rains,
like the hood,
I don't want it to get
yeah,
wet.
when it rains. Yeah, a machine will definitely fit. Eventually, we are gonna be getting a trailer, so it is gonna make it easier.
What about a liftgate?
I don't know, I mean, it costs about the same, I think. Over here on the left side of the truck, it just looks identical to the right side. All right, now let's hop inside and let's take a look at the inside. Okay, it's actually hot, so let me turn on the AC.
And it was just snowing last week.
Yeah, it was snowing in Texas last week. Can you believe that? It was snowing a few days ago, and now it's 85 degrees. That's Texas weather for you. Anyways, for the inside, we do have leather all around on the seats, and we actually have some suede in some sections, which I love. Like in the seats, check this out. It feels nice, it looks classy, I love that. Over here in the middle, we actually have another seat, which I actually have to keep it down because if not, as I'm driving, my girlfriend, you know, she always wants to be right next to me and she'll sit right here and bother me the entire way. So I gotta keep this down. Besides the extra seat, we also have a little compartment over here, which you already know we gotta keep the snacks in here. We got some Skittles Giants from exoticworld.us, so we just keep some extra snacks in there. I'm not gonna be going through everything because I don't want to make the video too long, but a few features I like is that the steering wheel actually heats up, which I've never seen before, which you don't like, right? Because it makes your hands sweaty.
I hate it.
and cooling seats, which I have turned on right now. So over here, you just press right there. I actually have it on right now and it cools pretty good. Up here we have a few compartments. I put my little sunglasses right there for when it gets sunny. We actually have the SOS, so in case I have to call the cops and anybody's trying to rob us after, you know, we collect money, we just press that button. Say I won't press it right now.
Don't.
Nah, I won't press it. But yeah, nice little mirror, you know, look at yourself, take some pictures. Before, we couldn't really have friends over with us because, you know, of course the car is way too small. It's a 2-door, the van is a 2-seater. So now we can, you know, go and pick up friends, pick up family. They can be comfortable back here. We got the snacks on deck for whoever wants them. Now, just because we have snacks here doesn't mean they're free. You know, if we ever pick you up, you better believe we're gonna charge you for them. But yeah, pretty spacious. You can even like lay down back here. Like, you already know we're finna go on some road trips.
And you're gonna be laying down because I'm gonna be driving.
Yes, sir. But yeah, the back looks pretty nice. Down here we also have 2 USB ports and also an outlet in case somebody wants to charge their computer, maybe their phone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it looks pretty nice. Okay, real quick, I do want to ask you guys a question, but before I do, remember, there's no such thing as a bad question, all right? So down here we do have an outlet. It's the first outlet I've had in a vehicle. So my question is, can I plug in a vending machine with that outlet? Is it strong enough? That's what I've always wondered. You know, there's sometimes when we go out, we want to turn on a vending machine, but we don't have like a generator. So I just want to know, can I plug in a vending machine with that outlet? All right, so right now I came over here to the storage unit because if you guys remember, 6 months ago, I dropped off a soda machine at Gilbert's shop, AKA El Cuh Gilbert. But a week later, after I dropped off that machine, ever since, he's been begging me to put a snack machine in there because they want to eat some snacks. And I was like, bro, you should have told me from day one so I can just bring a combo instead. And I should have told him no. I was like, no, you're gonna keep that machine in there because I paid my mover like $200. So today, we're gonna finally go over there and I'm gonna put this bad boy inside his shop. It's a nice combo machine. We got the drinks in the bottom and they can finally have some snacks up on top. I mean, I do want to say I'm not a bad friend. I didn't want to give him a snack machine just because I don't like Gilbert. The reason why is because right now we have the drink machine, but it's only making like $100 a month. It's nothing too crazy. I was gonna sell that machine either way, so I might as well keep it there and make $100. So I didn't want to put it in a snack machine because a lot of product might go expired. I mean, this is a $4,000 machine. If it's making $100 a month, how long is it gonna take me to pay it off? Like 10 years? Okay, real quick, I don't usually recommend laying down vending machines unless it's a last resort, but if you do, don't forget to give them 24 hours before you plug it in so that the compressor settles down and you don't mess up your cooling system. Alright guys, we made it to Gilbert's shop. Hopefully the machine didn't mess up because some of the drinks started falling. And also, I'm not sure if y'all can see, the trays are coming apart. So I'm hoping nothing broke. We gotta hurry up and unload the machine and take it inside. But yeah, now, let's go inside.
Yo, bro, come on now. It's been a year since I asked for this machine and you're
Hey, first of all, it's been 6 months, all right? It's been 6 months.
Dude, I called you. I messaged you. You haven't answered me. You got a new warehouse.
Do you want it or not?
I want it. A brand new machine in a whole year to deliver a machine, bro. What kind of service?
No, let's take the machine back. Nah.
This is what they told me. Get a machine with snacks, drinks, because we're hungry.
From now on, all the expired product we get from other locations, I'm just gonna use it to fill up this machine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We'll have OSHA calling you real quick.
Who?
OSHA.
Who's that?
They protect, I don't know what the fuck.
Everyone pause the video and go like my picture on Instagram. All right, take the picture.
Has your viewer seen your shoes? I like them. Who did that for you?
Yeah, I already know. Got the customs over here. What? Oh, we got the logo over here. Exactly. I forgot.
I like it.
Aguas, baby, aguas.
Wait.
You see, guys, this is why I didn't choose that side over there.
And this is why he wanted to wait.
Go down. Woo! There you with it, G. Oh, shit.
Aye, baby.
Don't try that at home.
What, baby? What's wrong?
Something always has to go wrong, right?
The paint. Well, guess what? I do vinyl wrap.
Oh, can you wrap the machine?
Yeah, of course.
We're gonna open up the old drink machine we already have in here and see how much money it's made in the last 30 days. And Gilbert, if there's not at least a cool $50 in there, I'm not gonna put the combo machine in here. So let's see.
That's because you haven't filled it up for the last 6 months. It's empty, bro.
Oh, it's empty. Look at this. Look at this. The machine is empty, huh?
You can even sell Red Bulls.
Hey, we can sell whatever we want, right?
Hey, they're cold. Look, feel it?
I feel this.
No. No, this is colder. This is colder. Wait, hey, hold on. There could be 10s and 5s in there, right?
No, it's just all ones. There's a 5 in
there's
there.
a 5 in there.
But it's also credit card sales too.
No. I see another 5 in there, bro. Come on now. But hey, hold on. We pay with a lot of quarters too. See?
Bruh.
Look, the pennies I never got back.
Bro, there's nothing in here.
Ah, what the hell?
This is a perfect example on how much Gilbert lies. Everything you said today is a complete lie. The machine was empty, but it was full. It's full of coins, but it's empty.
When I was over there off camera, you took it off.
I didn't. I got no money on me.
Should we keep this as a memory of?
Bro, just stop touching stuff, all right?
It's not my fault your stuff comes broken already.
We just left the machine out here like if nobody was gonna steal it.
And with the pallet jack?
Can you put Modelo's in there?
I mean, I don't know if Jaime would be down.
What?
Can you put Modelo's, the can in there?
No.
Why not?
I'm not gonna get a fine just because you're an alcoholic.
Bro, nobody's gonna come in here and say that. Come on.
Can you tint like this right here?
Yeah, but then nobody.
Why would you want that?
Yeah, come on now.
Well, that way I can't see like what you buy and it's random.
Smart questions, not dumb questions, please.
All right.
Coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win in my. I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping. You been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't. It can't be. It won't be.
We're not gonna be filling up the machine we just dropped off because since we laid it down, we have to wait 24 hours so the compressor can like settle down. So we're gonna come back tomorrow. What kind of snacks do you want?
Modelo's, wait, right.
Bro, you and the Modelos.
The lime ones too.
The lime ones.
The lime ones.
You got to, bro. Come on, you gotta do it.
Okay, so it's been a couple days since we dropped off the vending machine at Gilbert's shop, and like I said before, it used to do maybe like $4 every single day. It used to be bad, but the first day after we filled it up, it did almost $30. So that's a good sign already.
We should have done this a long time ago.
Yeah, back 6 months ago when he told us. Anyways, that's all for the video. Before we end it, I do want to thank everyone watching right now for all the support you guys have given us over the last 3 years. Buying this truck is for sure a huge accomplishment. So again, thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed the video, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.
I won't leave, coming from the block with plain clothes and police, straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the